Welcome to Ain't Scared Garage. Well, I'm looking through the marketplace here, and I always look through it. I find different cars and stuff that interests me, but not enough to go and buy them. You know, I think, well, I know what I can do with that. I know what I can do with that. Blah 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 blah. But one day, I happened to come across this one truck, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it or not, but we'll see. So off we go. We're gonna head on down and see if we're gonna get a project or not. Stand by. So this is it. We'll see. Haven't decided whether I'm buying it yet or not, but I may. Okay, so I did buy it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy it or not, but I did. And there it is. It's doesn't run. I have had it running on brake clean. However, that's about it. This is shady side of the truck. It's really close to the fence. I'm going to take the power washer to it and we're going to clean her on up. Let's see what you think. Okay. He has a new hood he's bringing me for it that he bought for it. He had a fender, but it got stolen, so we'll be off to the junkyard. There's a zillion of them in the junkyard. Doesn't matter, long blade, short bit, whatever. The front fender's the same. And we got a new door coming for it. Evidently, we also have a tonneau cover, as I understand, coming for it. That'll be nice. Got a bunch of custom stuff I want to do to it. It's going to be a couple years on this truck before I get it done. But we're going to power wash today, see if we can clean her up. This bed was full of junk. I didn't think it was too bad, but there's a repair there, repair there, repair there, repair there. That's fine, but what they did was they just patched over rust holes. So underneath of it, and I'll get pictures of it eventually, they are rust holes. They will eventually migrate out and take it over, but they're not going to be allowed to do that because I will be fixing that. Cobwebs on the wheels, you know, it'd been set in a while. This is about the only rust on the truck other than underneath. And we got fixed a couple spring perches, that sort of thing. And we think it'll be nice. So let's clean it up. Okay, just come out from underneath the truck. Nothing. So we're going to cut these bolts out of this thing. Another weak mind with a strong back, because I'm the only strong back around here. Plenty of weak minds with strong back. So this here, I'm not sure how this was done. It's better fiberglass, okay? Here's the piece that broke off. And now, okay, so, you know, yeah, there's a piece of fiberglass. Well, it breaks off. That thing's happened. Nice, huh? Rivet City. I don't know what they riveted to fiberglass. I just don't know. But obviously it wasn't fixed right, and it will be.
Got it.
Okay, bed's off the truck now. One of the reasons I wanted to get it off the truck was it has dual tanks, and I was told that there's a problem with them sometimes, that the return line will feed the wrong tank and overflow the tank. So I was told it was fixed on here. Couldn't find where it was plugged anywhere, and then I found this. Yeah, that's how it was fixed. Okay, so let me get over here. You see these straps? There's more up under there. That is exactly how this tank is held in. Isn't that nice? I think all this is going to clean up. This has to be replaced. That I have both of them, and we'll be getting it done. So that's where we go from here.